Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips by monthly tea subscription. Oh, made with love, uniquely for you. So I changed up the card a little bit. Shows you what kind of teas you get, as well as the additional information, steeping time, stuff like that. So I'll look at that at the end. We always get some refillable bags for any loose leaf tea that is in your box. So love that. The first one is by Choice Organics, and it's Cocoa Mint. That sounds good. So there's 4 of those. Then we have some loose leaf tea. I think it says Casting Whimsy. It's kind of hard to read the cursive, but Queen of Hearts. It's a tangy fruit herbal blend. You can see everything that's in there. Then some more pre-packaged tea. Vanilla Spice Perfect Energy. But that one's good as well. And last but not least, Rainy Day Tea Co. Breakfast in Bed. This one has, pineapple bits in it. White cocoa butter. And coffee beans as well. That sounds interesting. Good box this month. Let's take a look at the card. Gives you steeping time, caffeine levels. I always get a mix of like caffeine free, low caffeine, high caffeine. So it gives you all that. And sometimes there's promo codes on there as well. So that is what I got for the month of February. Actually January. Okay, that one came a little bit late, but yeah, if you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I will have all that information below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.